The warm times are here in Marquette. You can see 69 was the high yesterday, 11 degrees above the average, but we were right on the money when it came to our low at 39 degrees, nowhere near a record of 78 and 20. And you can see the days are now down to 11 hours and 30 minutes. As we look at today's highs, though, topped out about the same into those upper 60s to near 70 degrees. 66 in Marquette, 68 in Munising, 69 in Iron Mountain, 70 in Ontonagon. So very uniform with those upper 60s thanks to that southerly flow helping climb those temperatures towards the 70-degree mark. You can see 10 in Ironwood, 7 in Iron Mountain. Further towards the east, a little more gustier though, 14 in Marquette, 12 in Munising. The only exception when it comes to that southerly wind is in Houghton, coming out of the east at 10 miles per hour. As we look for what's ahead to the next couple of days, you'll notice that increasing cloudiness for us will begin tonight into tomorrow. By the time we get into late tomorrow, we'll see the rain chances really embedded in the region thanks to that cold front, and we'll see a brief dry and warm stretch still going into Thursday before the weather really takes a big difference and a big tumble going into the weekend. For our Wednesday, though, the pleasant weather in the northeast will be greatly appreciated for them as the uncertainty of Hurricane Matthew's path going into the weekend is still to be determined. For us, though, locally more into the Upper Peninsula, that cold front will begin to push its way towards us. Rain mostly for the Upper Peninsula and the northern portions of the Lower Peninsula. Thunderstorms more prevalent as you go further south into Illinois and Missouri. As we look at the futurecast, though, you'll see the clouds will begin to march in more and more throughout the day into tomorrow. The rain will really come in sometime in the afternoon, so do have that rain gear with you just in case, especially more into the afternoon. Conditions will improve going into your Thursday, and by the time we really get into your Friday, we'll start seeing the back end of that low pressure with the cold front, and that's the big difference between Wednesday and Friday is that the rain on Wednesday will be a warm rain. The one on Friday will be a lot chillier. As you can see by Friday, a lot chillier rain, and even towards Minnesota, you can even see some blue, which is snow. That's how cold this system will be. And you'll notice on the 7-day how big difference those temperatures are going to take. As we go into tonight, though, 51 degrees, mostly cloudy and mild, with those winds out of the south at 10 miles per hour. So about 12 degrees above the average for this time of the year. By the time we go to tomorrow, though, the winds are going to continue out of the south as those temperatures climb near 70 degrees. But also within some of these rain bands, we can also see some thunderstorms in them. Mostly may see one occasional strong thunderstorm. But just remember, if you do see lightning and thunder, when thunder roars, go indoors. And so do watch out for that, though. But overall, temperatures are going to be into the upper 60s to near 70 degrees once again. As we look at your day planner, start out at 51 degrees with mostly cloudy skies, 67 by the time we get into the afternoon with thunderstorms. The thunderstorms will begin to fizzle out more into the evening hours early on, and by the rest of the evening we'll have partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies with 53 degrees and sunrise occurring at 7:55 a.m. But as we take a closer look on your 7-day, you'll see how going into Thursday, we'll have some sun and clouds embedded. 20% chance of rain. That's mostly more towards the eastern portions of our viewing area. And as we look at those afternoon highs on Friday, 56 degrees, and into Saturday, 51, 52. So your morning lows for tomorrow and Thursday are really going to become your afternoon highs on Saturday and Sunday. And by the time we get into the second half of the weekend into early next week, the sun returns with high pressure, but a lot chillier temperatures, about a 15-degree drop on both the highs and the lows. So if you are enjoying the heat, take advantage of it because it's going to begin to fizzle out within the next 48 hours.